Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, October 15th, our word of the day is alfresco. A-L-F-R-E-S-C-O. Alfresco. Alfresco is an 8-letter word and an adverb. Remember, an adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or a sentence, and that is often used to show time, manner, place or degree. In arrived early, runs slowly, stayed home, and works hard, the words early, slowly, home, and hard are adverbs. Alfresco means outdoors or in the fresh air. In other words, taking place or located in the open air. You can call your casual backyard picnic an alfresco dinner party to make it sound fancier. Similar words include open air, outside, out of door, outdoor, outdoorsy. Examples of sentences using alfresco are: dining alfresco is one of my great summer pleasures. The Lynx grill and pizza oven make this the perfect spot for creating an alfresco meal. We had the opportunity to have an alfresco drink in one of the UK's pub gardens. A gala dinner is held fortnightly and lunch is alfresco. You'll find live music most nights, and lots of alfresco dining opportunities. If you don't have a reservation, visit the cafe and enjoy a simpler meal alfresco on the large terrace. Make sure to save this new word, alfresco, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers!